Today's the 7th of May, it's 2025, and I'm a little bit excited. I had a message yesterday to say that the solar panel people are ready to come and install our solar panels. So in a couple of hours' time, hopefully they'll be here and they'll be starting the installation. Well, I think we're quite lucky that we've got a terrace that looks down onto the roof where the installation is going to be. So this is the roof area where hopefully all the installation will go a little bit later on. They have warned me that they obviously have to climb on the roof and to have some spare tiles, and we do have lots of these spare tiles from when we changed the roof over the patio earlier on. Anyway, so I'm going to keep you updated and on the progress that this takes. But hopefully a little bit later on tomorrow, I think it'll be now, this area of our roof will be covered with solar panels and we'll be making our own electricity. Does that mean we're going to be net zero? Well, hope so. Well, the team of workers have arrived. I think we've got 4 now here. And they're showing me the different things that they're going to be installing. So here are some of the switches that have got to be installed. And this electronic box of some sort. It's got lots of USB connections and internet type connections. So we'll see but that's going to go onto the wall just above our electricity panel, just there. And now the switches going into the boxes here. And that's the box we have at the moment, and it's all going to get wired into that somehow. The work now starts on the roof as well, so work down below, work inside the house as well, so lots going on here. So we need the box of switches, and this is the box of switches going on the outside now, all being wired in. And this is on the inside. And there's the new box on the wall. The switch boxes on the outside, they're looking good now. Well, that's the preparation work done. You can't see very much, but what they've done is to install these supports, bolts, and they're all now in place. So they've had to drill through some of the tiles, and they've also broken a few tiles. And well, that's okay, because we were warned about that, and so we have a lot of spare tiles that we've got to replace the broken ones. So that's going to be all covered with solar panels tomorrow, we hope. Well, today's now the 8th of May, it's Thursday, and it didn't rain last night, luckily, because today is the second and hopefully the final day for the installation of our solar panels, and the guys are due here in the next half hour or so. As I showed in an earlier video, the earlier section, this is the setup that we've got, and we've got all of these pins in place with the brackets there ready for the installation, so we'll see how that proceeds. Just after 8 o'clock in the morning and the sun is shining. And well, hopefully we'll be generating electricity here very, very soon. It started on the wiring on the outside, leading onto the inside, and some tubes coming down and round. Lots more tubes and things to go in yet, though. And there's all the fixings going into place now. These little micro inverters in there. Well, we're getting the first view of the panels now. Boy, they are big. So we've got 10 of them there, 10 solar panels to be lifted up and put onto the roof. Just interested in what's on the back. So these are the connections, so one on that side, in the middle, and on that side too. Well, it looks like the first of the solar panels is going now up into position. They're all stacked up. There they are, in direct sunlight, and it's a beautiful sunny day today. One of the issues has been the number of broken tiles. Luckily, I got a lot of spare tiles from the porch that we had taken down, so we've got lots of spares, and these are now being fitted in place. The broken one's been removed. So 2 more panels gone in, that's 4 altogether, and lots of tiles need changing. Just hope we've got enough to replace all of these broken tiles. Right, we're getting there. 3, 6 down, 4 to go. Oh, we've got a new box up there. It's got a light on, so that's all connected. And outside, all the switches are now in place, and the tubing has been put in. Two more down. Now we've just got 1 more now to go down, and that will make all 10. Well, there you go. 10 panels all in place, and they're in bright sunlight. Well, that's pretty much all done now. They've just cut the ends off the supports here, and they're all now in position. Now find out how they work. Well, there's the box, and it's all been updated with the software. Well, that's it. The solar panels are now installed. They're all in, and they seem to be working. Really pleased with Xavi and his team. They came over from Barcelona, and they're here obviously doing more than just our installation. They'll be doing them elsewhere on the island, but they've done a really good job in less than 2 days, and it's all been fitted. And the app, I don't have the app yet. I've seen it on Xavi's phone all working, but he says they're monitoring it and just making sure everything's okay, and I'll get sent them the app in the next 24 to 48 hours, and then we'll be able to see exactly how much electricity we're generating from this system. It's a bi-directional system, so it's the electricity that we're generating is getting fed into the grid, and then we get it fed back to us. And when you showed me the system up and running and working, we were using at the time 275 watts, would it be? I don't know. And we were producing 1,800, so it was very much going in the opposite direction. We were not taking it, we were giving it back. But anyway, really happy with it so far, and I'm sure this is something I'm going to have to give regular updates on. So we'll give it a few weeks and see how it's all settling in, and then get back and show you what's happened. But other than that, it's been really, really good, really fast and quick. And I even managed to get out to lunch today. So thanks very much for watching. I hope you found it interesting, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.